Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. My name is Michelle, and today I am going to show you how to go from this to this. I've always wondered to myself, how can I make my Apple Watch look luxurious? If you have been watching my YouTube or following my Instagram, you know that I love Louis Vuitton. I've toyed with the idea of getting an Apple Watch band made of repurposed canvas, but I primarily use my Apple Watch for fitness and I don't always want to have Monogram on my wrist. So I opted for this look right over here, and I absolutely love it. It gives me that luxurious glam look that I'm looking for, and I made it in 2 simple steps. So let me go ahead and share with you how I got this look so that you can get it too. Let's go ahead and get started. So the first step is to purchase a gold colored Apple Watch band, and there are just so many options on Amazon and also for really cheap. I searched gold Apple Watch band right over here, and these are the options that came up. I have this style here in particular, but there are a lot of other cute options that you can also choose from. But I did like this kind of style because it has a magnetic closure and I can choose a size that's comfortable for my wrist size, and it was also really easy to install as well. So yeah, this is what it looks like, and it has a magnetic closure just like so you can choose the size you want it to be on your wrists so that it can be comfortable for you. And also it was also really easy to install. So I'll go ahead and link the one that I got down below in the links, so you can check the style out if you want to. So for step 2, we're going to go ahead and save a photo from the Louis Vuitton website of the monogram you want to go ahead and feature. I'm going to use the one here from the Etui Voyage because I saw that recently they did have one uploaded here. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is screenshot this, and here you can actually go ahead and crop it, but I'm going to leave it uncropped and you'll see why in a moment. But for now I'm going to press done and press save to photos. So after this, I'm actually going to go ahead and go into the watch app, and I'm going to go into face gallery and scroll down right over here until I see the photo watch face and press add. So after this, I'm going to go back into my watch and click on the photos, and instead of synced album favorites, I'm going to go ahead and press photos, and I'm going to go ahead and choose my latest screenshot and press done. And here you'll see that it hasn't been cropped yet, so I'm going to go back into that one photo, click on it, and then position the monogram the way I want it to appear on my watch. So I like my LV to be here in the middle left-ish. So I'm going to go ahead and press done and press done again. And this is what it is currently looking like. And for the little widgets here, I usually like to have the time positioned at the top rather than the bottom. And for the complications, I like the date at the top. And then for the calendar, I like to have nothing. So it's going to look just like that. And so now I'm going to go ahead and press set as current watch face, close out the app, and there it is. Voila! Instant glam. Alright, so you know I love monogram, but I think this will also look super cute with Damier Azur, with Damier Ebene, and also the upcoming holiday collection with the Vivian. I got these cute photos from the Instagram at LV to Love. So to make my watch even more glam, I pair my watch with my Louis Vuitton Confidential Bracelet. I got this one last April 2019 at the Soler Louis Vuitton in Manila, Philippines. I'm wearing a size 17 and my wrist is 15.5 centimeters. And that's it. That's how I simply made my Apple Watch get that luxurious look and feel for cheap. I hope you enjoyed this video and found some inspiration. Please tag me in your Instagram photos at Michelle Argueta if you do try this look. And yeah, thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next video. Bye!